Good morning. Passport, please.
Good morning. Here.
Thank you. What is your full name, please?
My name is Layla. Layla Al-Farsi.
Layla Al-Farsi. Thank you. Layla, I need to ask you some questions. Please speak slowly. I will speak slowly too. Do you understand?
Yes. Slow. I understand slow.
Good. Let's start. What is the purpose of your visit to the United States? Purpose. Why are you here?
Purpose? Stay. I come for stay.
Stay, that is correct, but we need a full sentence. You are here to live. Can you try to say, I am here to live in the United States? Repeat after me. I am here to live.
I am here to live.
Very good. Now the full sentence. I am here to live in the United States.
I am here to live in the United States.
Excellent, Layla. That is a perfect answer. You are here to reside here. Can you try that word? Reside. It means to live officially.
Reside.
Close. Reside. Say it one more time. Reside.
Reside.
Good. So, Layla, you are here to reside. Now, can you tell me, what is the purpose of your visit? Use the new sentence.
The purpose. I am here to live in the United States.
Perfect. Now, we need one more important phrase for this step. Since you are moving here permanently, you are a new resident. Can you say, I am a new resident?
I am a new resident.
Wonderful. That is exactly right. I am a new resident. Let's practice that 3 times.
I am a new resident.
Good.
I am a new resident.
Very clear.
I am a new resident.
Excellent work, Layla. You are learning fast. So, to confirm, what is the purpose of your visit?
I am here to live in the United States. I am a new resident.
That covers everything beautifully. Next question. How long do you plan to stay in the U.S.? How long? 1 month? 1 year?
Oh, long time. Very long time.
Long time is okay, but we need a specific phrase for the officer to write down. Are you staying for 1 year or longer?
Yes, longer. Forever, maybe.
Forever is nice, but immigration likes numbers. We will start with the first period. Will you stay for 1 year?
For 1 year, yes.
Say the full answer. I plan to stay for 1 year initially. Can you say, for 1 year?
For 1 year.
Good. Now let's try the full sentence. I plan to stay for 1 year.
I plan to stay for 1 year.
Very good. Remember, we use for when we talk about a period of time. For 1 year, for 6 months, for 2 weeks. Understand?
Yes, for 1 year.
Excellent. Now, where will you live here in the United States? Where is your new home address?
My home is New York City. Big city.
New York City is correct. When we talk about a large place like a city or a country, we use the preposition in. We live in New York City. We live in Canada. Can you say, I will live in New York City?
I will live in New York City.
Perfect use of in. Let's practice the structure for location. I will live in place.
I will live in Chicago.
That is correct grammar, but for this interview, we use your actual city. Where will you live?
I will live in New York City.
Good. Now let's combine the time and the place. How long and where?
I will stay for 1 year. I will live in New York City.
That is a complete correct answer, Layla. You should be proud. We have learned for time and in for location. Let's review. I am here to live. I am a new resident. For 1 year. In New York City.
Yes, I try remember.
You are doing very well. Let's ask again, just to be sure. How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 year. And where will you live? I will live in New York City.
Fantastic. Let's do that a few more times, slowly.
I will stay for 1 year. I will live in New York City.
Perfect match of preposition and noun.
Now we talk about what you will do here. Will you work or will you study in the U.S.?
I will study. University.
I will study is the correct verb form. Can you say, I study? Even if it is in the future, sometimes we use the simple present for planned activities. Say, I study.
I study.
Good. Now to make it strong, I will study.
I will study.
Excellent. What will you study?
English. I need more English.
That is very smart. So you will study English. Let's try the full statement. I will study English.
I will study English.
Excellent. If you were working, you would say, I work. Let's practice that too, just in case. I work.
I work.
Good. And if you are not working now, you say, I do not work, or I am not working. Which is true for you now?
I am not working. Now I study.
Very good use of am not working. But for simple answers, let's use the negative of I work. I do not work.
I do not work.
Perfect. So, Layla, will you work or study?
I will study English. I do not work now.
That is very clear. Let's stick to the main plan, studying. Repeat after me. My plan is to study.
My plan is to study.
Good. What is your plan?
My plan is to study English.
Fantastic. Let's review the verbs we used. We practiced I study and I work. Which one is correct for you right now?
I study.
Very good. Now let's practice I study 5 times just to lock it in your mind.
I study. I study. I study. I study. I study.
Wonderful pace. Remember that verb. Section 4. Family, sponsor. Layla, we are almost finished. Who sponsored your move here? Who are you joining in the United States? Is it your mother? Your brother?
My husband. I come for my husband.
That is an important detail. We need to use the possessive adjective my. You said my husband. That is perfect. Can you say, my husband lives in New York?
My husband lives in New York.
Excellent. Now let's practice other family words with my. If it were your sister, my sister.
My sister.
If it were your father, my father.
My father.
Good. We use my for all family members. Now back to your situation. Are you joining your husband?
Yes, I join my husband.
Can you make a full sentence? I am joining my husband.
I am joining my husband.
Fantastic. Let's practice that sentence with other family members just for practice. I am joining my sister.
I am joining my sister.
I am joining my brother.
I am joining my brother.
I am joining my mother.
I am joining my mother.
You understand my very well. It shows possession. It belongs to you. My husband, my husband. Your sister, my sister. Do you see the pattern?
Yes, my belongs to me.
Exactly. Now one last area for family. Are there any children coming with you?
No children, just me.
Okay, so no children. Can you say, I do not have children?
I do not have children.
Perfect negative construction. I do not have. Let's try that with other objects. I do not have a car.
I do not have a car.
Excellent. So regarding family, who are you joining?
I am joining my husband.
And do you have children traveling with you?
I do not have children.
Superb, Layla. You are using the correct structures for possession, my, and negation, do not have. Layla, we have covered many important English phrases today. This is a test of your English, and you are doing very well under pressure. We must repeat everything slowly now. Question 1. What is the purpose of your visit? Say the complete answer we practiced.
I am here to live in the United States. I am a new resident.
Excellent. Let's break down that first part again. If you only say one short phrase, what is the most important phrase?
I am here to live.
And the second important phrase?
I am a new resident.
Good. Let's practice resident one more time. Resident.
Resident.
Close enough for now. Next, duration and location. How long will you stay? Use for.
I will stay for 1 year.
And where will you live? Use in.
I will live in New York City.
Combine them. Long time and place.
I will stay for 1 year and I will live in New York City.
That is perfect. We used for time and in for place. Say for time, in place.
For time, in place.
Beautifully memorized. Next, what will you do here? Work or study? Use the simple statement.
I study English.
And what will you not do? Use do not.
I do not work.
Very good. Let's hear I work and I do not work one time each.
I work. I do not work.
You are showing the difference clearly. Now, family. Who are you joining? Use my.
I am joining my husband.
Say, my husband.
My husband.
Say, my sister.
My sister.
You understand possessives. Now the final check on children. Do you have children traveling with you? Use do not have.
I do not have children.
Repeat, I do not have.
I do not have.
Excellent. Let's try to get the full interview response again without me prompting the individual parts too much. Ready?
Ready.
Purpose.
I am here to live in the United States. I am a new resident.
Duration and location.
I will stay for 1 year. I will live in New York City.
Activity.
I study English. I do not work.
Family relationship.
I am joining my husband.
Children.
I do not have children.
Layla, that was a very strong performance. You used all the target phrases correctly. Let's review the 4 most important phrases you must remember when talking to someone official. I am here to live, purpose. For time, duration. I study, activity. My husband, family. Say those 4 phrases for me now, slowly.
I am here to live. For 1 year, I study, my husband.
Perfect. You have a very solid foundation in basic English now. You must keep practicing these simple sentences. Do you have any questions for me?
Question? Where do I go now?
Ah, a very good question. The English for that is, where do I go next? Can you say that?
Where do I go next?
Excellent. You go to the next counter. Please take this slip. Follow the signs for secondary inspection.
Secondary inspection.
Yes, follow the signs. You did a wonderful job today, Layla. Welcome to the United States.
Thank you, Officer Jackson. Thank you for helping my English.
You are very welcome. Have a good day.
Good day.